Let's take a plunge into the mesmerizing allure of Italy as we traverse through the core of Tuscany, highlighting top Tuscan towns. The wind carries the scent of ripe grapes and fresh olives, conveying tranquility. Welcome to Tuscany, a province in Italy, where every sight is an awe-inspiring panorama, every step a revelation of history and love. Each Tuscan town pulsates with stories of unparalleled beauty, soaked in history and love. Are you ready? Whether you're a history geek, an art admirer, a wine expert, or a nature enthusiast, there's a Tuscan town awaiting your discovery. Let's dive on this journey. First stop, Siena. History enthusiasts, prepare to be thrilled. Siena, an Italian medieval gem, invites you to explore its historical treasures. The city boasts of the stunning Piazza del Campo, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This architectural marvel, with its unique design, truly embodies the spirit of the Middle Ages. As we progress, the awe-inspiring Siena Cathedral stands tall, outlining the city's skyline. This grand cathedral signifies Siena's architectural prowess. The city's narrow lanes echo with stories of the past, and its architectural wonders bear witness to its lively history. Next up, Florence. Prepare for an artistic epiphany as we embark on an exploration of this art enthusiast's dream. Florence, the Renaissance birthplace, teems with art and culture. This Italian city hosts iconic masterpieces recognized globally. Marvel at the Uffizi Gallery's treasures and the Florence Cathedral's majestic Gothic Renaissance architecture piercing the skyline. Michelangelo's David, a Renaissance testament, is a must-see. Let's head to Montalcino. All you wine lovers. Perched amidst Tuscany's heart, it's a treasure trove of exquisite wines. Known worldwide for Brunello di Montalcino, a red wine imbued with Sangiovese grapes' unique flavors. These grapes are nurtured by the region's fertile soil and weather, giving the wine a distinctive taste. Explore the town's ancient architecture and uncover the intricately designed wine cellars. Inside, witness wine's transformation from grape to maturity, providing a glimpse into the art of winemaking. These cellars welcome all, offering an intimate understanding of this intricate process. So come and immerse yourself in the world of Montalcino, where the wine cellar's doors are always open. For the nature enthusiasts, we present Barga. Nestled in the Apuan Alps, it's a visual delight with picturesque landscapes. The 360-degree vistas and tranquility make Barga a perfect haven. It's Mother Nature's masterpiece with soaring mountains, verdant terrains, and untouched beauty. As seasons shift, so do Barga's hues, vibrant greens of summer, autumn rust, and winter's soft blanket. Barga offers more than just visual splendor. It exudes a soothing aura that harmonizes your senses with nature's rhythm, making it a perfect escape for those in search of peace and tranquility. Seeking a true Tuscan escapade, Pienza is your go-to destination. A key jewel in Tuscany's crown, Pienza brims with history, culture, and Renaissance beauty. Its architecture is a delight, and its heritage profound. Also known for its native pecorino cheese, a regional gem. Pienza adeptly blends tradition with modernity. Stroll through the town's labyrinthine alleys, soak in its rustic charm, and you'll find yourself immersed in the heart of Tuscan life. Pienza's every corner offers insights into local traditions, giving it the moniker ideal city of the Renaissance. From its winding lanes to its mouth-watering pecorino cheese, every facet of Pienza offers a taste of the local culture. So, what are you waiting for? Embark on an adventure to explore the mesmerizing towns of Tuscany, each rich with history and culture. Admire rolling hills adorned with olive groves and cloaked in the hues of vineyards. Let the towns of Florence, Siena, and Pisa charm you, as they offer a unique blend of tradition and modernity. Taste local delicacies, enjoy the signature wines, and savor the acclaimed Tuscan cuisine. Experience the allure of Tuscany through local festivals and events that celebrate music, art, and gastronomy. Allow yourself to slow down, absorb the ambience, and watch the world go by. This is a destination that encourages living in the moment and relishing the simple pleasures. Create memories as you discover hidden gems, meet warm locals, and observe everyday life. Let the beauty of Tuscany inspire you, infuse you with peace, and leave a mark on your heart. Trust me, a trip to Tuscany is not just a vacation, it's an experience, a story waiting to be told. There's still plenty to explore, with numerous tales to discover and experiences to relish. Now, embark on your adventure. If this journey inspired you, support us by subscribing. Your assistance enables us to create more travel guides. Stay tuned for more virtual tours, fresh travel stories, and wanderlust inspiration. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. The wonders of Tuscany await. Happy traveling, everyone!